In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the rendering device lost error in Overwatch 2. This is a common issue that many players face, and it can be frustrating to experience that sudden disconnection. But don't worry! By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to resolve it and get back into your game without distractions. First, let's start by addressing your hardware. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for Overwatch 2. This is crucial because if your hardware is underpowered, it may struggle to run the game smoothly. So, take a moment to verify your GPU, CPU, and RAM specifications against what's recommended by Blizzard. Upgrades might be necessary if you find any components lacking. Next, it's important to update your graphics card drivers, as outdated drivers can lead to compatibility issues with newer game versions. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers. Follow the installation instructions carefully, then restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Moving on, it's also advisable to check your power settings. Computers, especially laptops, often switch to a power-saving mode, which could impact game performance. Navigate to your control panel, select Power Options, and switch to a high-performance plan. This adjustment keeps your system maximized for gaming and ensures that it won't throttle your GPU during intense game sessions. Now, let's look at your in-game settings. High video settings can sometimes overwhelm your hardware, causing it to lose connection. Drop the graphics settings in Overwatch 2 to a lower level to test if this alleviates the issue. Lowering options like texture quality, shadow detail, and effects can reduce the load on your rendering device, often resolving the error. It's also prudent to disable overlays that are running in the background. Programs like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Xbox Game Bar often have overlay features that, while useful, can interfere with game performance. Go into each application settings and turn off any overlay functionality, then restart the game to see if that makes a difference. Additionally, keep an eye on your system temperature, as overheating can be a culprit. Download a tool like HW Monitor to track your CPU and GPU temperatures. If you notice that the temperature is too high, it might be time to clean out any dust within your computer case or improve airflow with additional fans. Lastly, consider Windows Update. If your operating system is out of date, it might not be supporting your hardware and applications optimally, leading to errors. Make sure Windows is fully updated by navigating to your settings and checking for updates, applying any new patches that are available. And there you have it. By carefully checking these components and settings, you should be able to fix the rendering device lost error in Overwatch 2, allowing you to enjoy the game without further interruptions. If you continue experiencing issues, reaching out to tech support may be the next best step for a more tailored troubleshooting approach. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gaming!